So if you've got any concerns, anything you're not sure about, look for something else. There's always going to be something else out there. So I would, unless you got 100% conviction, don't do it. And when nothing's going on, do nothing. My old boss at Goldman, Gary Williams, one of his lines was just, he'd sit at the desk and put his hands under his knees. Just sit in your hands, do nothing. Because you try and make some money when there's nothing going on, guaranteed you're going to lose money. So you got to know when to engage and when not to. Because market cycles, market times, even during the 12 months of the year, there's different opportunities, different times, and things are moving differently. So when there's nothing going on, do nothing.
In terms of risk, what are your thoughts on terms of risk? Because a lot in the retail space is a lot of, I think there is a misconception slightly, because when I look at professional traders and highly successful traders, even from the past and to present day, the ones who have really made good returns, of course, they've gone through the period of learning and getting their experience, learning to understand their intuition, etc. And at a certain point, they're able to then be very dynamic with their risk, meaning that, yes, they'll have their singles, as we talked about earlier, but when it comes to home run trade and their analysis tells them this is, from my experience, etc., it's a home run, time to size up. And that's where they make the bulk of their career's profits, from those sort of trades.
Completely.
While with the retail